Example 3. A car goes on a horizontal circular road of radius R. The speed increases at a constant rate dv by dt is a. The friction coefficient between the road and the tire is mu. Find the speed at which the car will skid. Since the car is moving in a circular horizontal road of radius r, so if you take the diagram like this, so there is a friction between the road and the car. So what we can assume, and they given the speed of the car is increasing at a constant rate, which is dv by dt is a, which is nothing but tangential acceleration. So we need to calculate the maximum speed at which the car will skid. So let us assume the speed at which the car skids be v. So at that time the centripetal force will be v square by r. So centripetal force will be v square by r. We need to calculate the v value. Therefore net acceleration will be under root of tangential square plus centripetal acceleration square. So net acceleration will be, tangential acceleration is a, so a square plus centripetal acceleration is v square by r whole square. Therefore net force is mass times net acceleration. So m into under root of a square plus v power 4 by r square. This is the net force. So the car will skid when the net force is equivalent to the frictional force, because friction is the one which is supporting to move it in the circular path. So frictional force will be equal to net force, and until then the car will move in the horizontal circle. Once the frictional force exceeds or equivalent to net force, the car starts skid. So frictional force can be written as mu into n, where n is nothing but mg, is equal to m times under root of a square plus v power 4 by r square. Get cancelled. So if we send the root to the other side, it will be mu square g square is equal to a square plus v power 4 by r square. So v power 4 can be written as mu square g square minus a square into r square. Therefore v can be written as mu square g square minus a square into r square whole power 1 by 4. So this is the maximum velocity with which the vehicle can go. Once the velocity of the car comes to this point, the car starts skids.